Kush plug. Switch it on, mission. Aye, do the stuff a lot. Hit the no one time, hit the not the time. Hit it, that's your fire. Got a knife fire, got your knife fire. Got a knife fire, got your knife fire. Do the stuff a lot. Hit the no one time, hit the not the time. Hit it, that's your fire. Got a knife fire, got your knife fire. Got a knife fire, got your knife fire. Do the stuff a lot. Hit the no one time, hit the not the time. Hit it, that's your fire. Got a knife fire, got your knife fire. Got a knife fire, got your knife fire. Aye, she fire and she know it. Colorful like butterfly, daytime she glowing. Grateful for universe, pairways like Boeing. National camouflage. She short lies, and my fact, she do it right. Never get steam or shutting back. She my day maker, that she come at night. Peacemaker, that time's fight. But when it's done, I'll hold it tight. Love with all the might. Promise to leave your side.
To be honest, I wasn't scared for SST because I studied SST a lot in last few months. I don't know how I got interest in that out of sudden, but there were 2 chapters like agriculture, parent culture and the modern world, which I hated a lot. And luckily no long question came in my set, which I'm really happy about. And overall my paper went really good. Let me know about your in the comment section. And yeah, what was your board experience and everything? Let's talk.
I get my hopes up every time, and I don't wanna be let down each road to find. I just wish I'd seen the price tag for my heart breaking. Was it worth all that waiting, when I always knew just how I felt? Yeah, I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block, see where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time. Why am I always getting so attached, when I know that will burn me crash? Now I wish I could turn you back into someone I never had. You were different from the rest, 'cause you didn't hide imperfect.
I know this was one of the most raw videos that I ever posted, but I will definitely try to upload good new content this vacation. And let me know how your vacation is going, what stream you all selected. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel.